in November. So I've got 6 months. And the plan is to go full-time into my side gig, which I've been working on for the past 10 years, just to go all in. So I've got 6 months to prepare and then give it my all. Now, to give you some more context on myself and my business, currently I am a lab technician at a company. I work in a lab, test different products that they make. And I make $22.29 an hour. And I am the sole provider for a family of 6. So that puts us right at the poverty level or even below. So I don't feel like I'm serving my family just being able to pay the bills, can't really go on vacation each year. Kids can't do, ballet and karate and stuff like that. So I say no a lot, which, is fine for right now. It's where we're at in life. But I don't want to continue doing that when I know, I've got this like entrepreneurial spirit in me. I was self-employed before. I did very well at that. And I'm turning 40, and it's like, I just had a skin cancer thing removed this morning. I'm like, I'm not getting any younger. So I'm not going to regret trying this at least. I did consider other options as well before I settled on this. Something like, opening a mechanic shop or doing an Airbnb cleaning service. But I just kept coming back to wanting to do something that I love. And that's not always, the best option. There's not always potential for making, full-time income from that. But I am going to try. So if it doesn't work out, at the very least, you'll see me here in years saying, well, I gave it my best and it didn't work out, and here's what I learned. And I can always just move on to something else. Now, this opens up an opportunity for something else I've wanted to do for quite a while, which is fairly unique and maybe strange to some people. I will be sharing exactly what I make from my business every single month on Patreon. So starting this month till November, to when I quit my job, and then after that, I will be sharing the different, not this page, where am I at here? Different income streams I have, how much I make from each of those, how I make money from different platforms, both again the passive type income as well as active income from cleaning skulls, selling artworks, things like that. So I'm going to share not only my journey to quitting my job here in 6 months and how I'm going to do that, but just exactly how to make money in a side gig business that you want to take full time. I see a lot of people online, I'm sure you see them as well. They'll post, they had a viral video and they made a bunch of money and they base their whole advice off of that one thing. But what you don't see is, the months where you're not making a lot, the projects that didn't pay off. So I will be sharing everything, the successes, the failures, what's working, what's not, and just going into some details on that over on my Patreon page. Now, again, another unique thing is that from now until I quit my job in November, so 6 months, anyone who joins me on Patreon is $3 a month. And if you join before November, it's $3 forever. So once November hits, I'll be raising the price quite a bit and then kind of advertising that more broadly. But now I'm just kind of inviting people in to be part of the founding community. So if, a small business or side gig or just making income beyond your day job is something that you currently do or you're thinking of doing, or you would like to quit your job and you just like to see the reality of someone else doing it, that's going to be me. And I can't say I've ever seen anyone do that. So, a lot of people are very protective of, how much they make and how they're making it. And I just, for whatever reason, don't have that filter on. So I would love to share that with you. So join me over on Patreon. I'll leave a link somewhere down below and you can check that out. At the very least, just go look and see if it's something that would be interesting to you. And if not, that's fine, because you will be seeing a whole lot more of me leading up to and then starting in November. Should be on YouTube, on different platforms, quite a bit. So thank you all for watching, and thanks for being a part of it.